Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add all followers as close friends at once on Instagram. So make sure to download this correct app Instagram and do any update if it has any updates, and after that just go to the Instagram app, and after that just click on your profile icon on the right below corner, and from here just click on these three lines on the upper right corner. As you can see, this is the settings and privacy section. So once you reach here on settings and privacy section, just scroll down a little bit, and first section is how you use Instagram, like saved, archive, activity, notifications, time management, and below that you can see who can see your content, and on here you can see account privacy, close friends, cross posting, blocked, hide story, and live. So on this section just click on close friends, and once you click on close friends you will see all of your friends, or the persons you are following or who are following you. So you can see all those lists in this section. So after that just select all those accounts that you want to add. Let's say I want to add all of them, so just select all of them and click on done. And once you click on done, all of the friends will be added as your close friends. And let's say you have any specific name, so just search here any specific name. Let's say this account, I search this account and these accounts will come. So let's say I select the first one and click on done, and once I click on done, this account will be added as my close friends. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add your followers as close friends at once on Instagram.